In this video, how to continue using legacy Manifest v2 extensions in Google Chrome in Linux. As you can see, the MV2 extensions will be disabled automatically because Chrome no longer supports Manifest version 2 extensions starting from Chrome version 140. When trying install an MV2 extension from Chrome Store, you will see the add to Chrome is grayed out and cannot to be installed. When sideloading the extensions with developer mode, you would get the error cannot install because of unsupported Manifest version. However, you can still re-enable it until Chrome version 142. First, close all open Chrome windows. Next, open the Terminal app. Run this command to edit the Chrome launcher. Add this to the line before %u, if it exists. The line will look like this. Save the file and exit the text editor. Log out and log back in for the changes to take effect. From now on, when Chrome launches, the extension Manifest v2 will be enabled automatically. As you can see, the Add to Chrome button is now available, and you can add the extension to Chrome as usual. You might see a warning that the extension may soon no longer be supported, but for now, it still works. Additionally, using this method, you can install all other MV2 extensions as well. Alternatively, if the first method doesn't work, you can try a second method to enable Manifest v2 support in Google Chrome and then sideload extensions manually from the source code or a zip file. To do this, open the Chrome Flags page. Search for M1 and enable all unexpired flags. Once enabled, relaunch Chrome to apply the changes. Next, search for MV2 and enable the Allow Legacy Extension Manifest Versions option. Relaunch Chrome one more time. Now, to install MV2 extensions, you need to download the source code of the extensions. For example, I will install the uBlock origin extension. Download the source code of the extension. Extract the downloaded zip file to a folder. Next, open the extension management page and enable developer mode. This mode allows you to install extensions from an unpacked folder instead of the Chrome Web Store. As you can see, the extension has been installed successfully. In some cases, you may be unable to download the zip file of the extension because the developer has not provided a direct source code download. You can use an additional extension to download the zip file from the Chrome Web Store. For instance, I will use this extension. Once added, you can use the installed extension to download the zip file for the needed extension. Once downloaded, you can extract and sideload the unpacked extension as usual. The downloader extension is no longer needed, so you can remove it as well. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.